trying to perfect working on some other baking thing, trying new things that we've never done before. This year, it's a sourdough panettone that I'm trying to do. But like one year I was like, I'm gonna make homemade danishes, and that instantly became a Christmas tradition. Some of them we just have fun doing it one year and we don't come back to it. So through the years, we've gained a huge repertoire of recipes and things that we all associate with Christmas, and it's really too much for any given December. We can't decorate gingerbread houses one day and then an elaborate other cookie event the next day, and then we just can't keep up at that pace. So I will make a list of all of the things. Everybody brainstorms what are our favorite cookies, what are the favorite tradition things that we do, and then we make that list, and then I have everybody in the family vote on their top 4, like what are the things you most want to do. And that way we come back to things at a nice interval, and I make sure I can put it kind of on my mental schedule that will make sure this year we do Ninja Bread Boys. But I really encourage you to lean into celebrating the incarnation by trying new things and new ways to bless those people around you with all of these good gifts that God has given.